Welcome to all in this class. Today I teach you the structure of chromosomes. First of all, we know what is chromosome. Chromosomes are thread-like structure present in the nucleus of cell. Become visible only during cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis means growth division of cell, meiosis reproductive division of cell. Chromosome contain hereditary information in the form of genes. Hereditary information in the form of genes. Each chromosome is made up of two components. First, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Second, protein. Now we start. First component of a chromosome, DNA. It is the most important component of chromosome. DNA is the most important component of chromosome. It is the material of genes or genetic material. DNA known as genetic material. Second component, protein. Protein, two type of protein found in chromosomes. First, acidic protein, as protamines, amino acid. Second, basic proteins, histones. Most chromosomes consist of two arms that extend out, form a specialized region of DNA called centromere. Centromere means middle body or middle part. Centromere give a particular shape of chromosome. Centromere give a particular shape of chromosome. Terminal region on either side, this side and this side, are called telomeres. 1 telomeres, 2 telomeres, 3, 4 telomeres. Some materials found in telomeres, that is matrix. This point is centromere, arms, that is telomeres. This is the figure of chromosome. Next topic, chromatids. Now we know the structure of chromosomes. Chromatids. First of all, we know about chromatids. Chromatids, each of the two thread-like structure, two thread-like strands into which a chromosome divides longitudinally during cell division. Divide longitudinally, called chromatids. This is chromatids. The two copies of chromosomes remain attached at their centromeres called sister chromosome. Two chromosomes attach with centromere, that is sister chromatids. Both chromatids of a chromosomes are identical, same. Both are same. Two chromosomes are attached together, that is same to each other. During cell division, the two sister chromatids separate and each chromatid become independent daughter chromosomes. This is daughter chromosomes. Phase of chromosomes. Every species has fixed number of chromosomes in cells. The period condition of chromosomes is called diploid chromosomes. This type of chromosomes, when attached each other with centromere, that is diploid chromosomes, means double chromosomes. Unpaired, the paired condition, first paired condition of chromosome is called diploid chromosomes. Unpaired chromosomes is called haploid chromosomes. A cell which has full number of chromosomes are called diploid chromosomes. A cell, as example, body cell of human beings. Number of chromosomes, full number of chromosomes, 46. That is diploid chromosomes. A cell which has half the number of chromosomes is called haploid chromosomes or haploid cell. As example, gamete of human beings, reproductive cell of human beings, half number of chromosomes means 23 chromosomes. That is haploid. Example of diploid, body cells of human beings, 46 chromosomes present in body cell, so we call chromosomes are diploid. Example of haploid cells, gametes of human beings. Gamete, reproductive cell, their number of chromosome is 23. That type of cell is called haploid cell. In which cell number of chromosomes full, that is diploid, or in which cell number of chromosomes half, that is haploid. Example of diploid cell, here example of diploid chromosomes, body cells of human beings. Example of haploid chromosomes or haploid cell, gametes of human beings. Function of chromosomes. Transmission of hereditary character from one parent to offspring. Chromosomes transfer the character of parents to their offspring. Offspring means newborn, new generation. इस तरह हम देखते हैं कि क्रोमोसोम कैरेक्टर का ट्रांसफर बाय जीन्स करता है। फिर अगले टॉपिक में, अगले चैप्टर में फिर अगला बात।